Hi loves, I am back with another makeup tutorial. So guys, I just created this makeup look for Valentine's Day since it's approaching. Guys, before we start this tutorial, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and be a part of, the team, and hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, we automatically become friends. So guys, if you want to look at this tutorial, just stay tuned. My eyebrows are on point, guys. So guys, I'm gonna add some of this LA Pro concealer on my lid, so like, I can see my makeup more, and my makeup can have more pigment. This is LA Colors concealer. I'm gonna put it on my lid. I don't know what color this is. I had this for years, guys. I'm gonna put it on my lid, so once I put it on this eyeshadow, baby, you're gonna see these colors. So guys, I'm gonna use the box of crayons. I'm gonna use this dark pink right here, guys. So just excuse this, guys, because somebody been using my eyeshadow. The last time I checked, it was not like this, so just excuse that. But I'm gonna use this dark pink right here, the box of crayons, and I'm gonna go over it. So guys, I'm gonna add a little light pink right here, like in the corner of it. Give it some more volume. So I'm gonna go over this with some eyeliner to give it, to make my eyes pop more. So I'm gonna put some eyeliner. bear with me. It's been a while since I used eyeliner. I really don't use it, but I'm gonna get more into it. I'm gonna put a little purple in this, little dark purple. So guys, I'm doing violet for this box of crayons because I wanted that dark color look. I'm gonna use this Maybelline primer. I've been using it for years now. I want to try a different primer because I'm tired of this. Because my face is really oily, and it seems like my face still become oily. You know, I got oily skin, so I hate when you put on foundation, gives that oily look. I'm like, no. I put this primer on, and you know what? So guys, I'm gonna go over it with this MAC foundation, and let me tell you guys, like, MAC foundation is now my favorite foundation. It's the best, like, for real. Little dab. And then this colors, like. I'm gonna put this concealer on from Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna get this spray, and I'm gonna spray my brush a little. I just dab my brush a little, so you know my makeup won't look cakey. I don't want my makeup to look cakey. You don't want to go for a cakey face, guys. You don't want no cakey face. Like. Next, guys, I'm finna put some Fenty Beauty, which is my favorite. Wet it a little. This is how I make sure I don't have a cakey face. And I just, you know, get a little, and I just like, I put it on my cheek like, like. Put it down. You know what? I forgot to contour. So guys, this is my contour kit right here. True Complexion. So forgot to contour. How could I do it? But you know, it's never too late. So I'm just gonna get this color. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put on some lashes. So guys, that's the finished touch. Now, before I go, I have to apply some lipstick, of course. So, guys, that was the end of my Valentine Glam Up makeup look. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, happy Valentine's Day. And for my single ladies, you can still, you know, beat your face, still look good on Valentine's Day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. And I'm going to have more makeup tutorials, you know, on the way and stuff. But, bye, guys.